Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever imagined creating stunning videos or images just by typing a few words or uploading your photos? What if I told you there's a tool that lets you turn your ideas into realistic videos and 4K quality images, all with AI? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do that using an incredible AI tool called Vidu.com. The link to this tool is available in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Once you create your account and log in, you'll see the main dashboard where you can explore its amazing features like reference to video, image to video, text to video, and even the newly launched reference to image feature. Let's start with the reference to video feature. This feature lets you generate videos with multiple reference consistency. You can upload 1 to 7 reference images or choose from the references you've already saved. Now, I'll upload my reference images and enter my prompt. After that, I'll set other options like the model type, choosing between Video Q1 and Video Q2. Recently, Vidu launched its new Q2 model, which offers lively motion and sharper semantics. Earlier, we could only make 5-second videos, but with Video Q2, you can create 2-second, 5-second, or even 8-second videos. Next, choose the dubbing mode. You can add voices or sound effects to your video. Then select the resolution, aspect ratio, and the number of videos you want to generate. Finally, click on the Create button. Wait patiently while it processes. The best part is that Video Q2 generates your video in just 20 seconds, which is super fast. And here's our final result. The character transition here is really cool. You can preview it in full screen, and once you're satisfied, simply click the download button to save your reference video. It's that simple. Now, let's try another example to see how powerful this feature really is. This time, I'll upload 3 different reference images, one of a man, one of a car, and another of a racing track. Next, I'll enter my prompt, a futuristic man standing beside a sleek racing car on a glowing digital racetrack. Neon lights reflect on his metallic suit as the camera circles dynamically. Holographic speed trails, cinematic lighting, 8K ultra realism sci-fi atmosphere. Once the prompt is ready, I'll move to the settings. I'll select the Q2 model, which is the latest and most advanced version offering sharper motion, better lighting effects, and ultra realistic rendering. I'll set the duration to 8 seconds. Choose 1080p resolution and pick the suitable aspect ratio for the scene. After reviewing everything, I'll hit the generate button. The system will begin processing. So just wait here patiently for a few seconds. One of the best parts about Vidu Q2 is its incredible speed. Even with detailed prompts, it can produce results in about 20 seconds. And here's the final output. It looks absolutely stunning. The video has smooth camera movement, natural reflections, and realistic lighting that make it feel like a real science fiction movie scene. The metallic suit shines under the neon lights, and the glowing racetrack adds that cinematic atmosphere. Compared to VO3 and Sora 2, the Q2 model clearly delivers richer details, more fluid motion, and superior video quality. Now, let's move on to the next feature, image to video. I'll upload my warrior image and then enter a prompt to generate the video. After that, I'll choose Video Q2, set the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, then click on Generate. Here you can see the final output, a warrior shooting fire, looking just like an action movie scene. You can preview it in full screen and download it in high definition quality. Vidu is set to launch a new video extension feature, enabling users to extend existing videos and add additional scenes. This update is expected to roll out around October 20th. Vidu offers one of the most affordable AI video generation plans compared to tools like Sora and Veo 3.1. Its free plan gives 10 references per month. The standard plan costs only $8 per month, 800 credits up to 200 videos. While premium is $28 per month, 4,000 credits, 4,000 videos, 1,000 videos. The ultimate plan at $79 per month provides 8,000 credits, 300 references, and ultra-fast generation, all in full HD quality with no watermark. When compared to Sora and Veo 3.1, which costs several $100s monthly and limit access to advanced features, Vidu delivers nearly the same 4K realism and faster output at a fraction of the price. That makes Vidu not only powerful and professional, but also the most budget-friendly AI video creator right now. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more AI tools and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.